different types of waste generated. So, we're going to analyze the waste produced in daily operation and develop a sustainable waste management plan. Sure, go ahead. Thank you.
So the type and quantity of waste observed in Better Mondays is generates daily waste such as coffee grounds, food scrap, disposable cups, and packaging materials with quantities depending on customer volume and menu offerings. So commonly generate organic waste like coffee grounds, packaging waste such as disposable cups, and varying amounts of recyclables and non-recyclable material daily.
Current waste handling methods that I have observed in Better Mondays. So, as I observe at the Better Mondays store, I do not see any waste handling methods that they implementing. Though, I only noticed that they just have a trash bin inside of their station. Then also they have a trash bin for their used grounds or the coffee grounds. And lastly, they have 2 other trash bin outside of their store.
Potential hazard na nakita ko sa Better Mondays is one of them is yung pag-overflow ng mga trash bins kasi minsan di ba nakikita natin na kapag sobrang puno na ng trash bin natin at hindi natin ito natapon ng tama is maaamoy siya ng mga customers. So nagkakos siya ng mga odor at iba't ibang klaseng amoy. So yung pangalawa naman is nakita ko yung pag-proper ng mga cleaning detergent kasi pwedeng siya mag-cause ng mga contamination lalo na food handling yung ginagawa natin. So dapat naka-storage siya ng maayos and iwas din siya sa dulas kung matapon man or ano. So ayun yung mga nakita kong potential hazard sa Better Mondays. Thank you.
During our observation at Better Mondays, we saw that their waste was not segregated. So we classified it into solid and hazardous waste. Solid waste includes food scraps, coffee grounds, tissue, paper cups, and containers. While hazardous waste include empty cleaning chemical bottles. To minimize this waste, the shop can compose coffee grounds and food waste, recycle bottles and paper, reuse packaging and switch to eco-friendly containers. They should also handle hazardous waste carefully and dispose of chemical containers properly to avoid risk.
This document titled MPC Environmental Safety Officers Food Inventory served to track a restaurant on hand, food items and ingredients, ultimately aiming to effectively plan, shop, and reduce food waste. The data presented is dated November 18, 2025 and outlines 7 distinct waste items, their types, source, volumes, and associated risks. So, the inventory reveals that the largest single contributor to volume is coffee grounds, accounting for a significantly 40% of the total waste. Due to their nature, they are classified as a residual waste. Then, the primary risk associated with the coffee grounds is that being wet and weighty, they can significantly increase trash bag weight, potentially weakening the bags, and are known to attract pests and molds. Then the 4 items like plastic containers, paper cups, tissue, and unused ingredients each make up to 15% of the volume and totaling 60% of the documented waste. So these 4 are all categorized as a recyclable material. Then, specifically, plastic containers and paper cups present a risk of residual contamination, making their disposal challenging, particularly if they contain leftover liquids. Then, the remaining 2 items are empty cleaning chemical bottles at 10% volume, which are classified as hazardous because the residue pose a health risk and their disposal must strictly adhere to hazardous waste regulations. And then finally, the food scraps account for the smallest volume at just 5%, classified as residual, but their risk is that they rapidly decompose, leading to foul odors and also attract pests and potential molds.
Okay, so to ensure a proper handling, segregation, storage, and disposal of waste materials by implementing a standardized color-coded bin system. So our goal is, so we're using colored bins to sort trash the right way. So this helps protect the environment, keep our workplace clean, and follows the rules. So this plan is for everyone, employees, visitors, and anyone working in food industry or any work industries. So only use the bins with the right colors for each type of trash. So for the biodegradable waste or the red trash bin, we can put here the fruit and vegetable peels, leftover cooked food, meat, fish, poultry scraps, eggshells, coffee grounds, and teas. That's all. And for the recycle waste or the blue trash bin, we can place here the plastic bottles, the cardboard boxes, the clean glass bottles and jars, aluminum cans, metal food tins, and the proper or the food packaging. And also for the non-biodegradable waste or the green trash bin, we can place here the styrofoam food containers, the plastic cutlery and straws, plastic bags and wrappers, and that's it. And also we can place the hazardous waste in the yellow trash bin, wherein we can place here the used cooking oil, the cleaning chemicals such as the bleach, detergents, and sanitizers. Also the pest controls, the broken grasses, and the contaminated drugs and water. Thank you.
Green practice in EcoSafe kitchen. So, bring a reusable bag. Magdala ng sariling bag kapag namimili sa palengke or supermarket. So, next is, say no to plastic straw and utensils. So, ang nagbabawal na paggamit ng plastic straw and ang pagtanggi sa plastic straws ay kubertos ay nagpapababa ng plastic waste na pumupunta sa mga landfills. So, conserve water, turn off tap. So, limitadong supply ng tubig. Ang pagtitipid sa tubig ay mahalaga. Ang pagpapatay ng gripo kapag hindi ginagamit ay simpleng paraan upang makatipid. So, keep the resourcing energy. Turn off if don't choose it. So, ito ay nagpapahiwatig na patay ng mga ilaw, appliances at iba pang gamit na hindi ginagamit upang makatipid sa kuryente. So, use energy efficient appliances. So, kung saan ang mataas ang presyo ng kuryente, ang paggamit ng energy efficient na appliances tulad ng LED lights ay inverter at refrigerators ay nakakatulong sa pagtitipid ng pera at kuryente.
Waste reduction targets. Ang goal natin dito ay bawasan ng food waste ng 25% sa loob ng 3 months. Ang ibig sabihin nito is magiging conscious tayo sa pagkain, kaya hindi natin siya basta-basta may tatapon. Sa single-use plastic naman, ang target natin siyang bawasan ng 40% sa loob ng 2 months, kaya instead of plastic yung gagamitin natin, is pwede tayong gumamit ng mga reusable o eco-friendly options. Next is waste segregation. Dito natin pinaghihiwala yung mga basura para mas madali natin siyang ma-manage and i-recycle. For example, sa 7-Eleven, di ba meron silang biodegradable, non-biodegradable at recyclable. So yung mga biodegradable, dun yung mga nabubulok like mga food scraps and vegetable peels. Dun yung mga yung natitirang mga pagkain, kaya may tendency talaga na talagang mabulok sila kasi natutunaw sila. So yung non-biodegradable naman ay yun yung mga hindi nabubulok like mga plastic, cans, mga papers, and yung mga recyclable naman, doon natin nilalagay yung mga pwede nating may recycle, kagaya ng mga bottles and cardboard. Kaya ganon, mas efficient siya at eco-friendly sa sistema natin. Next is safety cleanliness. Sa safety cleanliness, syempre kailangan natin hugasan yung kamay natin bago at pagkatapos magluto para iwas siya sa pag-spread ng germs and lalo na sa contamination, lalo na tumahawak tayo ng mga pagkain. And kailangan natin ihiwala yung chemicals sa pagkain para safe. At kailangan natin regularly linisin yung kitchen at equipment kasi hygienic and para wala rin yung mga pests. Kaya importante na malinis tayo sa mga pagkain na hahawakan natin. Food waste prevention. Para hindi masayang ang pagkain, ayusin natin ang storage gamit ang FIFO, yung first in and first out para maubos muna yung mga naunang nabili. For example, konti na lang yung mga cookies kaya nag-bake ka ngayon. Kailangan mo na maubos yung o mabenta yung unang cookies bago mo ibenta yung panibagong binik mo. And gamitin natin yung mga leftovers creatively para makagawa tayo ng bagong luto. At i-check natin yung inventory weekly para hindi siya ma-overbuy. Thank you!
Their current situation does not fully meet RA 9003 because the law requires proper segregation of solid waste at source. However, their proposed waste management plan aligns with RA 9003 by introducing segregation, recycling, and waste reduction practices. It also follows the ISO 14001-2015 Plan Do Check Act PDCA cycle they plan by identifying their waste problems. Do by starting segregation and basic recycling, check by monitoring if the new system is followed, and act by improving their waste practices based on results. Through this, the shop can slowly meet legal requirements and adopt an environmental management approach even with limited resources.
Hello, good evening. So I will be discussing about the EcoSafe kitchen. So among the three options, which is the poster, chart, and models, I choose chart, which is I'm going to tackle about it. So first, an eco-safety kitchen means using things that are good for the environment and safety for people. So it helps reduce waste, save water, and keep the kitchen clean without harming nature. So I have 5 categories. I have 5 EcoSafe kitchen pointers, which is the reusable storage, eco-friendly cleaners, sustainable cookware, composting, and water conservation. So for the reusable storage, that includes silicone bags, glass containers, those two. These items replace disposable plastics. They can be washed and used again, which helps reduce trash and keeps food safe. Now, for the next one is eco-friendly cleaners, that includes natural soaps and concentrates. So these cleaners are made from natural ingredients. They are safer to use and don't have strong chemicals and are better for the environment. And the third one is we have sustainable cookware that includes bamboo utensils and ceramic pans. So bamboo and ceramic are safe, durable, and friendly materials. So they don't release harmful chemicals and they can last longer than plastics. And also we have composting. So kitchen compost bins, something like that. And that we have food scraps like vegetable peels and eggshells that can be placed in compost bins. And also this can reduce waste and turns leftovers into useful fertilizer for plants. And lastly, we have a water conservation. That is efficient faucets and mindful use. So using water wisely helps save resources. Efficient faucets use less water, and simple habits like turning off the tap while washing help conserve water. That's all, and thank you.